If you guys got a battery that looks something like that, what you want to do is get yourself some Sprite. I'm using this injection here, but what is in here is Sprite. You're gonna take this and put that around it. You're gonna go to the other side and you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna take your injection here spray that on, and it should get rid of all the acids. There you have it, Sprite. That's the way. So give it some time, clean this off, and you're good to go. Put some hot water on it, that works well too. I use brush to make it nice, and a little bit of air helps too, but and that's it. It's gonna get a lot better if you keep up the service.